Vanch UHF RFID Industrial Reader VI-IR610P is with industrial design, sturdy and durable to adapt harsh industrial production line environment. It comply with ISO protocol and support 100 meters RJ45 Wi-Fi communication interface. Take the communication cables from the package box and connect it with device and computer. Open Vanch VUP demo software. It will recognize the reader itself. Connect the reader by TCP. Config the reader parameter. Test the reader read tags. It support wide voltage DC 920 for V power supply, maximum 3 A current. Thanks for watching. Please contact us for more details.